video, we're going to show you how to install Tableau Desktop. You can either access the page by coming to Home and click on the Install Tableau button, or you can go to Modules and scroll down to Prior to Week 1, Install Tableau. Here, you'll find the link to Tableau for Students webpage. Here, let's click on the Get Tableau for Free. Now, enter the information as it appears on your Wilmington University transcript. Make sure you enter your WilmU ID, or make sure you enter your WilmU email account, proper date of birth, our country, Wilmington, and enter your anticipated graduation year. We'll be using the license as part of a course, so let's go ahead and verify our student status. Great. Now it asks us to upload the document. Make sure that has my full name, my university, and my date of enrollment for the current term. So now I'm going to go to My WilmU, and from here I'm going to scroll down until I see My Requirements, DegreeWorks. Sometimes if your screen is too big, it'll only show My Requirements. So make sure that you see under My Academic Program, My Requirements, DegreeWorks. And when you select on that, you'll then see your worksheet for My DegreeWorks. And up here, you'll see your name and your degree type. And what you want to do is go ahead and create a PDF in the top right-hand corner, open PDF, and save it. Great. And now we can go back to Tableau and upload the file for My DegreeWorks. And then I'll press continue. And then you'll see it go ahead and process. Great. Now we're all set. Great. Now, Tableau is verified within 24 hours or so. And they will provide you with an email similar to this. It'll include your name. It'll provide the most important product key. And you want to make sure that you have this readily available. So now you'll go ahead and download Tableau Desktop. Okay. So now we'll need to go ahead and update the information just as we did on that form. Our business email is going to be that WilmU email account. Our organization is Wilmington University. Our company size, 201 to 10,000. Our department is analytics. Our job will be a student. We are in the United States. University is in Delaware. And our phone number. Great. Now you go ahead and download. And then you'll go ahead and download through those steps. Now, once you've finished your install, you'll open up Tableau and you'll activate with a product key. So you'll go ahead, activate the product key, and then you'll go and pull up your email address again and copy and paste your product key. And then you'll be all set, ready to use Tableau.